what my topic is? Anyone? No, you are absolutely wrong. Welcome to my world. What is my world actually? Only ghost? Nothing else? So let's see what it's all about. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Who is this Frankenstein, friends? Did any of one of you over here, sitting over here, come across this word Frankenstein? I'll be telling you, friends. Frankenstein, it is a creation who killed its creator. In similar words, it is a monster created by a man for the benefit of the society, but in turn, it destroyed its own creator. He is the monster, friends. Created by man, means we humans created that. Now, look at this slide. It is biowar. How is biowar and Frankenstein related, friends? Yes, you're here. Then, how is science regarded as modern day Frankenstein? Yes, friends, it is regarded as a modern day Frankenstein because we create nuclear power weapons for the benefit of the society and for armed forces, but ignoring the fact that the radiations and the poisons that are leaving into the air are spoiling our environment, and we are having a great impact on it. Who is this person, friends? Alfred Nobel. Yes, it is absolutely correct. He is Alfred Nobel. He is the founder of Nobel Prize, right? Did anybody think how did this Nobel Prize originate first? First, he found the dynamite, which is for the armed forces. But it is a good one. But they did not use for the armed forces actually. They used for the destruction of the people. Many people lost their life in that. This poor scientist created for the well-known of the society, but the society set him the merchant man of death. Is this the reward he really expected? No, not at all. But he got that reward. With that grief, he donated all his money to the poor people who lost their life in that destruction. And with the rest money, he found a Nobel Prize. This is the words from Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. No man chooses evil because it is evil. He only uses it for happiness, the good he seeks. Yes, we are doing that. For example, the social networking sites. What? We are using for the good? No, not at all. We are just making a time pass with it. We are using it in this way. No man chooses science because it is evil. He only uses it for happiness, the good he seeks. Yes, friends, we are thinking that science is evil and the scientists are monsters. But are they really the monsters? No. They are the ones who created all those and we are happily using it. Relationship between science and human. In this modern era, relationships have changed so much that we are in the hands of the science and not in the hand of another human. See, the origin of the baby till death, we are completely depending on man, but we are nothing without them, but we don't even respect them. By seeing this, friends, what do you think? This one. We can relate it to the origin of man. Adam and Eve. Do you all remember Adam and Eve? Yes. In those days, when God created Adam and Eve, the transmission of light should be in this way. This small gap would never be in contact. But now, the contact lies over here. Our hands are with the robots. And we work for them and we serve for them. But we forgot the real harmony. What is going on before in recent times. Now friends, less than one another. We have to raise our hands and show that, yes, this invention is good and this invention is not bad. We use it for the good purpose. And it is in your hands and your moment is waiting. Come on, we raise our hands to a good beginning.